Namaskar, myself Dr. Neha Gupta, Senior Consultant, Department of Radiation Oncology, Apex Hospital, Varanasi. So today I will be talking about the 6 hallmarks of the cancer. Firstly, what is cancer? Cancer is a group of diseases that is characterized by unregulated cell growth, wherein the cells they divide unregulatedly and they invade and metastasize to the different parts of the body. So what are the 6 hallmarks of the cancer? The first hallmark is the growth signal autonomy. What does this mean? Normally the cells they need external growth signals from growth factors to divide. However, the cancer cells they are not dependent on these normal growth factor signals because they had acquired mutations which bypass this circuit, and this leads to the unregulated growth of the cells. The second hallmark is the evasion of the growth inhibitory signals. Now this means that normally the cells they respond to the inhibitory signals and in order to maintain the homeostasis. But these cancer cells they do not respond to the inhibitory signals and they keep on dividing and this leads to the uncontrolled growth. The third hallmark of the cancer is the unlimited replicative potential. Now what this means? Normally the cells they divide in a predefined manner. There is a number it is decided that how many times a normal cell will divide, and after that number has reached, this normal cells they undergo senescence, and this happens by the process by the end of the chromosome, which is known as the telomere. It keeps on getting shortened. But the cancer cells, what happened with these cancer cells, the telomeres does not get shortened and the length is maintained, and that is why these cancer cells they become immortal, that is they never die, unlike the normal cells which die. The fourth hallmark of the cancer is invasion and metastasis. Now normally the normal cells they stay wherever they are. They do not move from one place to the other. But these cancer cells they invade the blood vessels or the lymphatic vessels, and then after invading these vessels they enter the bloodstream or the lymphatic stream respectively, and then through these streams they reach to the different organs of the body like lung, brain, bone and liver. So these are the primary sites of metastasis, and once these tumor cells reach these organs, the tumor is said to spread in the body. So now the next hallmark is angiogenesis. What does this mean? Normally the cells they have a constant blood vessel supply, and this is needed for nutrition and oxygen to grow. But the cancer cells, because the number of cancer cells is huge, so this their demand for nutrition and oxygen is also very high. So in order to meet these demands, the new blood vessels are formed, and this process is known as angiogenesis. Now the last hallmark of the cancer is evasion of cell death. So normally what happens is that once whenever there is a damage in the DNA, the normal cells they will die by a process which is known as apoptosis. But these cancer cells they evade this signal of apoptosis. So that means that even if their DNA has been damaged, they will not undergo death, and they will keep on dividing with this defective DNA. So this leads to the unregulated and unhealthy tumor cell populations. So these are the 6 core hallmarks of the cancer, which are the prerequisite for any cancer to develop in a human body. Now there are 2 emerging hallmarks. These are the first being the avoiding immune destruction. Now what does this mean? That normally what happens is that our immune system it recognizes the cancer cells or any cells which the body senses that this is not normal, and our immune system, they will destroy these cancer cells. But any cancer cell which will develop this, which will evade this immune destruction, will survive in our body and will establish as a cancer. And the second emerging hallmark is the reprogramming. So these were the two emerging hallmarks of the cancer. There are two enabling characteristics of hallmarks, and the first being the tumor promoting inflammation, and the second one being the genomic instability and mutation. So the acquisition of the core hallmark of cancer will depend on the genomic alteration that includes mutation and the physical changes to the chromosome. So the faulty DNA response will contribute to the genomic instability. So that is all what I have to talk about the hallmarks of the cancer. Thank you.